What your parents passed down is called heredity, and heredity is the passing of traits from generation to generation. Heredity is what gives us our DNA, which makes up our genes. Genes are basically the blueprint of ourselves, which makes us us. Like, for instance, my sister Tabitha has blue eyes and blonde hair, and my little sister Samantha has brown eyes and brown hair. It sounds absurd, but it's very possible and predictable. And the way we can predict it is through the Punnet square. And this example will predict the outcome of someone who has a parent that has brown eyes and a parent that has blue eyes. So this would be considered the dominant trait, because brown eyes are dominant, and then the blue eyes would be recessive, which means they're hidden behind the dominant trait. They're not important. They can't beat the bigger trait. So if we were to bring down the big B and the other big B next to each other, and then if we were to move the B down beside the little b, like it was before, and then do the same for the bottom, so big B and then little b, and then for the next one we do little b, which would be the only blue-eyed child in the family. And this would be called heterozygous, where we have two traits, but one is dominant over the other. And this would be called homozygous.